Hey Julian, what do you think of your applesauce? We got applesauce and chicken. Are we having some textural issues? Should I blend it down? Mmm. Is that tart? It's kind of tart. I think you'll like it. Let me just blend it. You want some more? Mmm. Ew, sour. Should we do some sweet potatoes instead? Chicken and sweet potatoes. Coming up.